Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So today, Wednesday, I always do my early ad previews for both Walgreens and CVS. That way we can see what deals are better to take advantage of either the current week or if we want to wait until next week. So we are not expected to get any inserts from our Sunday paper on Sunday because it is Easter. So you don't have to worry about going out and getting a newspaper. If you get newspapers delivered, there will not be any inserts. We're not expecting any. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And that way, anytime I post a new video for some deals and savings, you guys will be notified. I also have a giveaway going on right now in my CVS haul video. So it will be linked in the description box and at the end of this video. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure you head over there, check out my CVS haul, and that way you can enter in my newest giveaway. I will be giving away a $10 gift card to wherever you choose, whether it be Walgreens, CVS, Amazon, you name it. I will be announcing the winner on Friday in my online CVS Must Do Deals video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and dive right into the Walgreens ad preview. As you see right here on the front page, we are getting the deal back for 99 cents for Ajax. So if you're on a tight budget and you need some laundry detergent, this is definitely a great deal. No coupons or anything needed. You just have to have the Walgreens Rewards account. When you type it in when you're checking out, you will get that 99-cent price point. Same with the Palmolive, the 10-ounce dish soap, just 99 cents. We have the Arizona single-serve teas on sale again, 2 for $1. So those are definitely good filler items if you need to add any register rewards to your transaction. Hair care is going to be buy 2, get 1 free for the entire month. So that is through the end of April all the way to the 25th. We have Nature Valley, Crunch, and different General Mills cereals at just $1.88 each. Buy 2, get 1 free for 12 pack of soda. Not a bad deal. Sometimes you'll see 3 for $9.99, but this is still obviously some good savings if you want to stock up on some soda. $3.99 for Dasani. There is a limit of 4, so keep that in mind. And Maybelline, buy 1, get 1 half off. We have Dove and Dove Men. They're on sale for $5.99, and there is a $2 off 2 digital coupon. Optic White for Colgate is $2.99. There is a $4 reward when you buy 2. So not a bad deal there if you have the $1 off coupon from the current week. The digital, if you don't use it the current week, that would make it final cost $1 or 50 cents per tube of toothpaste. So that's not a bad deal there. This one is get a $5 reward, which is 5,000 points when you spend 20 or more on participating products. So we have Crest, we have Gain Flings, or the liquid, and we have Tampax and Always. So that could be a good deal for some good savings. L'Oreal, $5 register reward when you buy 2. And a $2 off digital coupon. L'Oreal is quite expensive. I think most of their products are about $9 each, so just keep that in mind. Persil and the discs are on sale $5.99 and get a $2 bonus. So I think you just buy 1 and you get a $2, get 2,000 points back. So final cost would be $3.99. Not a bad deal. We did have $2 off coupons from the current Sunday's paper, I believe. So that could be for an even better deal. We'll have to check if we have any digital coupons still for the Persil or what the expiration date would be on that one. Okay, buy 1, get 1 free on Heinz and some Green Giant canned vegetables. We have $2.99 for a pound of ground beef. Not a bad deal. 2 for $5 Lunchables at Publix this week. Lunchables are buy 1, get 1 free. These are also included in that spend 20 or more, get 5,000 points back for that deal. You can get the Downy or the Bounce dryer sheets. Arm & Hammer, $6.99. I would definitely stay away from that. Sometimes we get them buy one, get two free. We have some good food deals here. 2 for $5 for the Doritos. The better deal is the current week. They're $1.88, I believe. So that would definitely be a better deal if you want to buy some chips. I would go to the store this week if you're going to be out shopping. $2.99 on Chips Ahoy. Wheat Thins Triscuits, 3 for $4 on Pringles, so some good food deals for sure. Drop a comment, let me know if you guys have tried any of the Nice brand cookies or anything like that. I haven't tried that yet. I use the Nice brand storage bags and they work really well, but I haven't tried really any of their food. So if you have, drop a comment. Let me know what you think of it, if it actually tastes really good or if it's kind of something that we should skip over. Some candy deals, $2.99 for Febreze. We did have a buy one get one free in the April PG insert, but I'm not sure if that one's still valid as far as expiration date, so I'll have to double check on that. Here are some more beauty deals. There is a $2 coupon for L'Oreal Age Perfect Cosmetics. I haven't seen these yet in store. I've been getting a lot of CVS CRTs, but I don't have the Age Perfect at my CVS stores either, so I haven't been able to take advantage of these. Hopefully that is a newer product, so hopefully it will roll out to more and more stores. Coppertone Sport, buy one, get one half off. There is a Saving Star rebate currently for Coppertone, but it's only active at 3 stores. So you have to either purchase it at Target, Walmart, or Walgreens, and then you'll get a $2 cash back. And it does expire in a week from what I'm seeing on my account. So make sure you activate that before you go to the store. Nivea Body Wash, there is a $3 off to digital. Buy one, get one half off. Olay and Old Spice, not the best deal. Get a $5 register reward when you buy 4. So if you have register rewards or anything that you need to use, of course, before they expire, that could definitely be a good way to use those. Usually we'll get like a $1 off to digital coupon. I have a $2 off of 1 for the Olay currently, but it expires in a couple days, but that's only for the premium body wash. So we'll have to see if we get anything else on Sunday. Secret and Old Spice, this is a pretty good deal. 2 for $10 and 4,000 points back when you buy 4. What else? Schick or Bulldog razors. They are $8.99. There is a $4 coupon. Hopefully it's digital. And then when you buy 3, you get 3,000 points back. So we'll have to see. Vaseline, these are the larger bottles on sale for $5.99. I believe at CVS they are either $7.49 or $8.49. So right there, pretty good deal. But of course at CVS, if you have a 3 off of 10 or $3.50 off of 15 lotion CRT, as well as the $1 off 2 coupon, that could make for some better savings. Different vitamins and mouthwash deals. We have some oral care deals. Crest and Oral-B are on sale for $3.99. We are getting a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on Sunday. So make sure you check your accounts every Sunday. What I usually do is go through, send to card all the good digital coupons. So anything for Crest, Colgate, Tide, Gain, things like that. Even if you're not going to use it the current week, that way at least it won't disappear. And if you want to use it the following week, you can. But that way you guys will have additional digital coupons available. So for this deal, when you buy 3, it would be $11.97. Take off that $5 the 5 off of 3 digital coupon and get back a $3 register reward. Final cost is $1.32 each. I would definitely stay away from that deal. We always get Crest for like 50 cents each. The current week is a way better deal. You can get Crest for 50 cents. Better deal on Colgate this week as well. We have Colgate Optic White Renewal, $6.99 and a $6 register reward when you buy 2. I have been getting a lot of Ibotta rebates for the Colgate Optic White Renewal. It does have to be the Renewal. So double check your Ibotta rebate, see if you have anything that's still active for that. I haven't had any good bonuses or anything lately because I haven't really been, doing Ibotta hauls. I'm trying to limit the amount of time that I'm in the store, and the Ibotta hauls take me a long time to put together. If you have some allergies, here's some good allergy relief medicine, some good savings. Claritin, $5 register reward on 2. All Our Life daily wellness support, $5 register reward when you buy 2. Some digital coupons as well. Same for Flonase. Buy one, get one half off for you by Kotex. And same thing for Always and Tampax Pearl. Same deal that has been repeating for quite a while. Get a $3 register reward when you spend $20 or more on any Walgreens brand product. So there's lotions here, there's gummies, there's medicines, there's Band-Aids, you name it. So that could be a really good deal as well. Nothing else too exciting. And this is the last page here. Poise and Depends are $11.99 next week. Boost, buy one, get one half off. So not the best deal. If you have that 25% off of your next $10 purchase, you would have gotten that coupon the current week for the Spend 25 deal that's in the Walgreens ad. There are some good savings still to be able to use that deal. So I will put that in my must-do deals video. I will have a scenario for you for that 25% off coupon. If you have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment and click this video here so you can head over to my CVS haul and enter in my newest giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.